DTSC is cleaning up. It's a familiar sight, right? Loud noises, heavy machinery, and holes in the ground. But while these sites all over California can affect your daily commute, there's a lot more than digging going on. Contaminated soil is being removed from the ground, and miles away, DTSC scientists are hard at work identifying the hazardous chemicals in that soil. That's when DTSC's state-of-the-art lab is put through its paces.
Well, welcome to the Gas Chromatography Mass Spectroscopy Department.
DTSC's Environmental Chemistry Lab in Berkeley, California is where many samples are sent to be tested.
In this department, we take large numbers of chemicals and analyze for them. We take samples such as this, which is a sand sample or something that we would get from a collector. And then what we want to do is we want to create a liquid out of it.
The soil sample is mixed with the solvent and shaken to absorb any hazardous chemicals from the soil.
This is the sample from after we've shaken it. Because we still have all this soil in here, we want to filter it so that we can get just the liquid that we want.
The complicated, intricate process of analyzing samples can take hours or even days, but it's just a regular day at the office for Carol and the rest of the highly skilled scientists at DTSC.
What we end up with is just the solvent that we put in, and then hopefully all the chemicals from this sample.
The liquid in these larger vials are then concentrated down to a smaller size and taken for tests on the mass spectrometer, or the mass spec.
Which is basically a large oven that contains a column that's used to actually separate out the compounds. And we have the instrument take a portion of this sample and inject it into our column. The sample is heated into a vapor and then with helium gas is carried through this column. That's how the mass spec works. It actually creates an ion scan, and so therefore it's almost like a fingerprint for that compound. Only that compound is going to create that kind of scan and is the way that you identify the compounds at the end. These systems are really good in that they can identify a large number of compounds out of a single liquid.
These test results help staff know what chemicals are present and if they are at hazardous contamination levels. From this information, they can determine whether they can stop digging, need to dig further, or have to take another approach to the cleanup. So the next time you pass a site like this, remember, there is a lot of behind-the-scenes scientific lab work occurring as DTSC continues to protect you, your neighborhood, and your environment.